The second example of tropic movement in plant is geotropism. Geotropism refers to the growing of the plant parts in response to the force of gravity. So growing towards the earth's gravity, that is geotropism. So the stimulus in geotropism is the force of gravity. And in case of a plant, the root tips, they grow towards the force of gravity. So we can say that the root tips are positively geotropic. So they grow towards gravity. So we can say that the root tips are positively geotropic. But the shoot tips, they grow away from the force of gravity, or they move towards the source of light. So shoot tips, they grow away from the gravity, so they are negatively geotropic. At the same time, they are positively phototropic because they move towards the source of light. Now we can learn geotropism with the help of two activities. The first one is regarding the germination of seeds. So what you have to do is take a few bean or gram seeds and put them in moist soil in a beaker. So we know the seeds need air, water and sunlight for germination. So after a few days, the seed starts sprouting and it develops the radicle, plumule, and it changes into a tiny seedling after a few days. Water the seedlings regularly, and after 8 to 10 days, we have to measure the length of the shoot as well as the root. And after measuring the length of the root and the shoot, we can see that the roots, they show positive response to geotropism, while the shoots, they show negative response to geotropism. So the growth in the roots show positive geotropism by the roots, and the growth in the shoot show negative geotropism by the shoots. The second activity is based on an instrument called clinostat. This is a clinostat, and this clinostat allows a plant to rotate at a slow speed. So we are going to fix two potted plants on the two clinostats in a horizontal position. So in the first case, the clinostat is kept stationary. It is not allowed to rotate. But in the second case, the clinostat is allowed to rotate at a slow speed. And after some time, we can observe that there occurs a bending of the shoot in the stationary clinostat, because the shoots start moving towards the source of light and it is moving away from the force of gravity. So since it needs light, the shoots start bending towards the source of light because the clinostat is kept at a stationary stage. So this shows negative geotropism by the shoots, by the bending of the shoot towards the source of light. And in the second state, the clinostat is allowed to rotate. So all parts of the plant are getting exposed to gravitational force equally. So there is no bending of the shoot in this case. So no geotropic response is seen in this case. In both cases, the roots, they grow towards the force of gravity.